Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video we will be racing Southwest Florida's brand new cars against each other. There has been a recent update that released like around yesterday or so we'll be racing the cars against each other today and just comparing them and racing them. Pretty cool. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I hope you guys all enjoy. Alrighty, the first two cars we have going against each other is we have an Aston Martin versus this Mercedes-Benz right here. Both pretty close specs, pretty good. So yeah, let's get this race started here. So let's let's get our countdown out. Here we go. Grip tires. Alright, I'm guessing this will be a pretty close race, but I'm pretty sure the Aston Martin will take the win. Let's shift ourselves here because this car does shift quite early at times. So we'll shift ourselves to get it a bit quicker, but there goes the Aston Martin pulling way ahead. Yeah. And here comes the rain, so we're going to be losing some traction here. The road's going to be a lot slippery here. But yeah, Aston Martin is way gone, way up there. I mean, we were ahead like tiny bit at the beginning, but Aston Martin took the win there. And there he goes flying. But yeah, that was a pretty big win for the Aston Martin there. So yeah, let's move on to the second race. Alrighty, here is our second race. We have the BMW M3 GTS versus the normal BMW M3. So here we go. Let's get our countdown. 10-second countdown. I feel like the GTS will be up there, but then I feel like the M3 will catch up because of the top speed, but we'll see. Alright, pretty good launch there for the normal M3, but you know what, let's keep it in auto. Alrighty, yeah, the GTS is pulling way ahead. We might catch up though, because the specs here show that the normal M3 has a higher top speed than the GTS, but I don't know, we might catch up, but never mind, we're not catching up. He's all the way up there, way ahead. No way we're catching up. Yup, alright, that was a pretty bad loss for us there. GTS took a huge win right there. But yeah, let's move on to our third race. Alright guys, here is our third race here. We have a Mercedes versus this BMW GTS right here. Should be a pretty good race, but yeah, let's grab our countdown. Countdown 10. There we go. Alrighty, here we go. We have our grip tires on, and I think I'm gonna do the race in automatic. But if we start losing, I might put it into I might shift myself because this car does shift kind of early, a little bit early. But here we go. Yep, I think this is a huge win for the Mercedes here. I don't know, the BMW might catch up. I don't think so though. This car is pretty quick. It's a supercar too. It's in the supercar section. And yeah, I think we won this race. Pretty good, both pretty good cars. But yeah, let's move on to our fourth race. Alright, next up we have these two cars going up against each other. This should be a pretty close race. So let's actually pull out our countdown. Here we go. Oops. Spelled that wrong. But here we go. Alright. Traction control off. We have our grip tires. And here we go. Ooh, both pretty. That was both really good launches right there. But it seems we are pulling away. Alrighty, here we go. I think we won this race. But I mean, he is keeping up. I don't know, he might catch up if he has the top speed too. But I don't think so. Yeah, we are pulling quite a lot now. Alright, this car is actually pretty quick. Pretty big gap between us right now. So, yeah, pretty big win for this car here. Let's move on to our 5th race. Alright, here is our 5th race. We have these two Mercedes here. These cars are pretty close, I think. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a pretty good race. So, let's get our countdown. I was in reverse there. Do not want to be racing in reverse. Alright, we have our grip tires on, and should be a pretty good race. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, pretty equal launches right there. And we are head to head right now. Alright, we're pulling away a little bit. Alrighty. Alright, we are pulling, I think. I don't know, I can't really tell. Is he catching up? I can't tell. I think we're just pulling ahead. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're just pulling ahead right now. I don't know, we might have to race this car here versus the other Mercedes we were driving. I think that would be a pretty good race. So yeah, let's move on to the next race and race those two cars and see which car wins. Alrighty, here we have these two cars here. This should be a pretty good race according to the past few races. Should be a pretty good race. So here we go. Let's get our countdown. We have grip tires on, and here we go. Should be a really good race. Who knows though? I feel like the Supercar would win. I relaunched a bit late there, but let's see. I mean, we're keeping up a little bit so far. Alright, let's start to shift ourselves here. Let's see. So far, he is pulling away quite a lot, quite some distance right here. And I think we're topping out, so I think we are not going to be able to catch up at all whatsoever. But yeah, alright, that car won pretty big there. But yeah, we'll have to get a race in with the BMW Z4. That'll probably be our last race. But yeah, let's move on to our last race with the BMW Z4. Alright, here is our last race. I think this is going to be a really good race. So let's pull out our countdown of 10 seconds. Here we go. And I have grip tires on. And here we go. And alright, we got the launch there. And we are pulling away currently. I think we have the top speed too. I think we have a higher top speed than the Tesla over there. So I think pretty obvious race right here. I think we won because I'm pretty sure this BMW Z4 actually has a a higher top speed than that Tesla right there. But yeah, huge distance right here. I think we'll call off the race right there. Anyways, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.